Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Stitch Fix day. And this box came a little banged up. You can see the return envelope, so that kind of protected anything from falling out or getting damaged, I hope. So let's see what they sent me. Shoes. I see shoes right away, which I did not pick out shoes. Gotten a lot of shoes, new shoes lately. So got shoes and a cute little bundle. Always the return envelope, which is handy for returning and for protection if the box has a big hole in it. Note from your stylist. My stylist is still Mel. Fix number 42. Okay, she says I did pick the wedges, so I didn't remember that, but okay, let's see. Well, let's start with the shoes. Let's just do that since they're right here. All right, these are cute. Oh, yeah, these are really cute. Nice little heel, tan, and then the strap, a solid tan, and then the other straps are striped. Let's get into the rest of it. Let's open this bundle. The wedges are Celeste Elastic Wedge by Market and Spruce. Very cute. I like those. Okay. And then these jeans are Studio Blue, Casey Mid-Rise. I don't like mid-rise that much. Cropped, relaxed, skinny. Okay, I like relaxed, skinny. That sounds good. These are cute. Cute light wash. Cuffed at the bottom. Distressing just enough. I wish they weren't. Got distressing on the back, on both back pockets. I wish they weren't mid-rise, but let's see how that goes. This is the Marlowe Clip Dot Top by Paper Moon. It's cute. Clip dot. Okay, it's got a V-neck, 2 pockets, 3/4 sleeve. It's pretty thin. I can see through it. And then it's got these little dots. I don't know if you can see them. Not exactly dotted Swiss, so I guess clip dot. Next is the Sasha Relaxed Blouse by 9 Britain. Okay, I like the colors of this. This is cute. Okay, this is the front, and then the back is, it's got a wrap. That's very cute. Pink and blue and orange. And then finally is the EVEREVE V-neck dolman knit top by Market and Spruce. 3/4 sleeve, cute V-neck, just plain 3/4 sleeves. It does have seam at the sleeve, so this looks pretty cute. And this should be a quick try on. 1 pair of pants, 3 tops, and a pair of shoes. I will be right back. We'll see what we think. I think this box is gonna be another box of trouble for me because I'm starting out with a home run here. This again is the, what is this? I don't know. Okay. This is the Sasha Relaxed Blouse by 9 Britain in pink, size medium, $44. I think it's really cute. I like the colors. I think it's pretty spring color. Look at the back. It's got this interesting back. Kind of, that's pretty cute. I like the sleeves. These are sleeves that I like. The jeans are Studio Blue Casey mid-rise, and they're hitting me right here. There's my belly button, so they're not bad, not bad at all. I thought they were really cute in the mirror. Usually I look in my mirror and I don't like them, and then I look on video and I think, okay, they're pretty cute. These are the Casey mid-rise cropped relax, and relaxed skinny, I think is what it said, in indigo size 6, $66. I think they're cute, and they're very comfortable. And I like the length, I like the cuff, I like the wash, I like the distressing. Very cute. The shoes, the Market and Spruce Celeste elastic wedge in taupe size 8. I wear a size 7.5, so take note, these are 8s, they fit perfectly. So size up, which they sized me up, so they know that if you order from them. But if you're just gonna shop what's it called? Oh, so if you're gonna shop freestyle, you might size up. These are very comfortable. They're just a slip-on elastic. Very, very comfortable. I like them. I like this. I will be back with the next top. Before I go, let me untuck and show you. So it's pretty long in the front and the back, so that's nice. I almost forgot that. So now I'll be back. Okay, next top. This is the Paper Moon Marlowe Clip Dot Top in black, size medium, $46. It's cute. I'll have to watch it back. It's not blowing me away. It's just a cute little top. Black. I like black. I'm always drawn to black. It's got this. And then the collar. And the back. It's pretty long in the back. And here it is untucked. It's pretty cute. $44. Let me go try on the last top. I will be right back. This is the Market and Spruce Laraven V-neck dolman knit top in teal green, size medium, $46. Very comfortable. I love the color. I love teal. I like the sleeves. It's very loose and comfortable. I think it's cute, long in the back, which I do like a lot. Pretty cute, Stitch Fix. There it is in the front, so could wear it with leggings. Very cute. Okay, let me give you the total. Stylist pick subtotal $266. Buy all discount of 25%, $66.50. That would leave the order subtotal at $199.50. That is not bad at all. The most expensive thing was the jeans at $66, and then the shoes $64, and then everything else was $46 and $44. Good prices and pretty cute stuff. So I might have to think on this one really hard. But that is it, y'all, for this quick stitch fix, because this was pretty quick and it was a good one. Thanks so much, y'all, for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.